Hi guys, so today I'm about to do my little workout. I was like, let me just do a little short video. So I'm working with my little hula hoop. I see it got the little ball. Put it around you and clap it, clench it together. Alright, then you take your ball and just swing your ball. Move your hips. I ain't did it in a while. I done forgot my rhythm, y'all. I gotta get back into it. But you literally got to move your whole body. But once you get it, like a week or two, you'll have it down pat. Just keep working at it. It works your whole body. Whole body. It's a nice workout. I'm starting off back doing, I used to do it every day. I fell off. But I'm going to try to do it for like 15 to 30 minutes starting off. And then it's a lady on TikTok I follow. She lost so much weight since I don't know her name. I gotta look up her name. But she got this one, and also she started with this one. And she got a wooden one now. It's really big. I was like, I can't do that yet. I gotta graduate to that. I gotta start with this one and graduate to that one. But yeah, y'all just gotta, just find your rhythm. Keep moving. Do whatever you got. Move whatever. Keep this ball rolling. Keep on rolling. Keep on rolling. And this one right here is it don't make a lot of noise. Some of them you get, they make a lot of noise. I had one that I got from Amazon. It made so much freaking noise. I gave it to my grandbaby, and I ordered this one from TikTok. And as you can see, you can barely hear it. You can barely hear it. It's a good workout, y'all. This is one of the things I used to love to do when I was a child. I used to love to get that hula hoop, boy. Once I get that baby going, I be going, man. Whew. All right, so then once if it stop, all you gotta do is just swing it back around again. All right, y'all. So, ladies, if you're trying to get a workout, if you're trying to get a nice workout in, something easy, you don't want to go to the gym, get your hula hoop to start out with. I got a hula hoop. Also, I got this little mini stepper. I got to start back on. I got this stepper where let me show y'all. You get on it, and I got my own little gym right here at home. You get on it and just step. I'm gonna slide it back so y'all can see. I'm gonna pull the camera down so y'all can see it. All you do is get up there. Ooh, I ain't been on it in a while. Up and down. I tell you, this is a good workout too. It's like you're pedaling a bike almost. Up and down, up and down. And then you got the arms too. I mean what's all these damn things? I don't know, my brain ain't working, y'all. Pull these up while you do it. Yeah, I got this off TikTok shop. I got this off TikTok shop. Also, I got a treadmill, the walking pad, that's downstairs. So I got enough to keep me busy. Y'all. All right, y'all. I hope I motivated somebody, inspired somebody to get off your ass and go work out. At least 15 minutes to start out with. Work your way up to an hour. I can't wait till it really start getting warm so I can start walking. Like, I love outside. I love outside. I stay in the hood. Like, I like to I like to have my body grounded. I like to walk in the back. I like walking bare feet. I like to hug trees and stuff like that. But in the hood, you really can't do that. So I got to go to the park and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm looking for me somewhere to go. I want a yard. But yeah, that's in the making, y'all. Everything, you got to start from somewhere, right? All right, I love y'all. If you on that chair, honey, you on that chair or you laying over there on that bed, let me show you. Your ass over here on this bed, get your ass out of there. Get out of the bed, get out of the bed, get out of the bed. What's up? What we gonna do? We can't just let life pass us by. I used to be the same fucking way. Laying down, watching everybody prosper around me. Everybody making moves, doing this, doing that. While I'm sitting my ass down doing nothing. Well, let me show y'all the book I'm reading. Y'all go get this book. No Excuses. It's going to train you how to not procrastinate. It's going to train you how to be, it's going to give you the tips and tools to know how to be consistent, disciplined, all of that. No Excuses by Brian Tracy. Also, you can go look him up. Oh, you know what? The free book. The free book is, he got a free audio on YouTube. Go look at the free audio on YouTube. You can listen to it, or you can buy the book, whatever. But this is a good book. When I took my girl Peach's McIntyre class, Sleep with Peach, I took that, and this was a book that she recommended us to read. What's wrong with my words this morning? I had a stroke, y'all. So sometimes my words be all jumbled up. But we read the whole book. It's a great book. I'm about to start reading it again. Hold on, let me give y'all something for today. Hold on, let me see. Excuse me. I just want to give y'all something. I'm trying to motivate my people the same way I had to watch. Like I watch Les Brown. Go watch Les Brown, y'all. I watch Les Brown. I listen to Les Brown, watch whatever. Also, I listen to Eric Thomas. I listen to Trent. What's Trent's last name? God, I can't think of Trent's last name, but Trent. Like all the motivational speakers, I listen to. All the motivational speakers. You have to get it in your mind, y'all. You got to have some, you have to listen to some personal development every day. Every day we have to listen to some personal development to try to work on ourselves. Like me, I haven't had a man in over 3 years. I don't want a man. I'm not thinking about a man right now. Eventually, yeah, I want a partner. I want somebody to grow old with, live old with, and sex up and down. But right now, I want a husband. But right now, I got to work on me. Me and my recovery and my relationships and with my children and with my grandbabies and stuff like that. So I ain't worried about that right now. Also, this right here. This is my happy jar. Every morning when I wake up, after I get myself together and stuff, I'll pick one. This is called Remember Who You Are. It's a jar. It's nothing but affirmations in here, good things that you have done. You can put it in here. You can put pictures in here. Just something to motivate you to keep going. All right, let's see what flavor I'm going to pick up out of here today. I need to do me some more. I'm supposed to be getting ready for work, y'all. Okay, it says, I love God. I am a child of God. I love God. I am a child of God. I love God. I am a child of God. I love God. I am a child of God. Are we all a child of God? Do y'all believe in God? Do y'all believe in God? I know I do. I know He woke me up this morning. and started me on my way. Y'all don't want to hear me sing now. You don't want to hear me sing. All right, y'all. I don't know. I can't find. I was trying to find a. Oh, here goes something. Guard your integrity as a sacred thing. Nothing at last is sacred except the integrity of your mind. Guard your mind. Protect your mind. Pray over your mind. Pray for your mind. Do things to help your mind. Mind is everything, y'all. Without this, that's one big reason. Let me tell y'all something. Then I'm gonna go. My main reason why that I trying to get good light, y'all. The main reason why I decided to detox, right, was because like my memory, like my mind is all screwed up. Like I can't remember nothing from here to now. I wanted mental clarity. My brain is so all over the place. My thoughts are all over the place. It's like, first thing when I wake up in the fucking morning, my mind is just running. I take medication, but this shit don't do nothing. It don't do nothing. So guess what? I think I'm gonna stop taking it. It don't do shit anyway, like my blood pressure. I take that damn blood pressure medicine every day faithfully. My blood pressure is still high. So I'm going to trust God that I can heal myself. So that's the journey I'm on. With a health coach, I'm trying to heal myself, y'all. I'm trying to get off the medication. Trying to heal myself. I'm trying to get off the medication. I'm just trying to motivate somebody else. That's all. That's all I'm doing, y'all. Well, all right, y'all. I love y'all. And I'll check back in. I'll do another video tomorrow. I'm about to do my little 30-minute workout. I got to be out of the house by 1 o'clock to get to work at 1:30. So, all right, y'all. Peace, love, and everything else and above. Hope your families are well. Wishing nothing but the best for y'all. Y'all pray for me and my family as well as I pray for you and your family. And be nice. Don't be out here being mean to people. Because you never know what the next person is going through. You never know what the next person is going through. They might need they might need you to just tell them hi. Or they might need you to tell them it's going to be all right. Just keep the faith. It's going to be all right. Hey, I love you. You look good today. Oh, your lips are popping. Your hair looks nice. Your outfit looks gorge. Yes, you did that, girl. Just something to make somebody happy. I give compliments all day long. I give hugs to people that let me hug them. I am the kindest person you will ever meet. I just went down a bad road, that's all. The best can do it. The best can trip up and fall. But like Peach always say, get the fuck back up, bitch. Think big, bitch. Stop thinking little. That's a TikTok video. I ain't calling nobody a bitch. I'm just repeating the video. Well, that's what the video said. The guy be like, think big, bitch. Stop thinking small. Like trying to motivate you. Think big, bitch. All right, I love y'all. Bye. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Bye.